Oh, you don't have to close your eyes. Hey, Richie. How are you tonight?
Are you hungry, baby?
Do you hear Mommy?
Okay, that sounds like you've come with a good idea.
Yeah.
I will be right back. Oh, Mother, look at you.
Hi, sweetheart.
Do you hear Mommy?
Hi.
You're getting to be a big boy.
Yeah, look at you.
Hey.
Look at his feet.
He's tickling. Oh,
bless
no.
you.
Oh, bless you. Oh, poor guy.
I'll stop touching your feet.
Mommy tickled you into a sneeze, huh? It's okay, you forgive her.